Hi friends, tonight I'm sharing with you my money saving haul. So I did hit Hy-Vee sale. I did get stuff that was not in the 99-cent sale if you saw that video. So I'm just going to start over here at the left and move the other way. So the first thing I did get is some flour tortillas. These were in the 99-cent sale and it is a 10 count. So that was an awesome deal. I also was there in time to for the meat market was still open. So I did get 4 of their bacon and cheddar brats for $3.96. And then I've been running low on bacon. So I wanted to pick up a few packs of these. So I did get 4 packs of bacon. But I got one of the farmland. And that is the hickory smoked. And then I wanted to try that, the farmland, compared to the Hy-Vee brand and see which one I liked better. But all 4 of these were $3.99 for 16 ounces, which is a sale price here. If you want it for $2.99, you're getting 10 to 12 ounces. So this was definitely the better deal, so I went with that. Up here, I apologize if it sounds like I have a cold. I don't know what's going on because I don't have a cold, but bugles were on sale for 99 cents, so I did get 2 of the ranch, which those taste really good. So that's the first time I've tried the ranch. And then I got 1 of the nachos, and those don't expire till later this summer, so I thought those were a good deal to pick up and something different from the norm that I've been getting. And then these Craven cookies, these mint creams are really good. They're double stuffed also. So if you have a store that carries these, I'd try them if you like mint cream. But 99 cents each. So like I said, I did get 2. And then, of course, I did get chicken. I didn't think I was going to, but I changed my mind. The chicken thighs, 99 cents a pound. This pack was $4.01. And then this pack was $4.23. The tag came off on the bag on this one. And then here's one thing I do like about Hy-Vee. I love these at nighttime with some of the summer sausage, the cheese, the crackers with it, maybe some fruit, something like that. So these were 8 something at Hy-Vee, but Walmart just had them on sale for $7. So Hy-Vee price matched it for $7. So that was, these are getting expensive, but I thought, well, while I'm here, if they'll price match it, pick it up. They did have these. These are 14 ounces. I prefer fresh vegetables, but they go bad so quick. So this is a blend of the pepper and onion, but it's got the red, green, and yellow peppers. So 99 cents a bag. I got 4. And the Nature Valley Crunchy, this is a variety pack of 12 count. It was 2 for $2.50. Now, regular price, these are over $3. I don't know how much. They're between $3.39 up to like $3.69. That's at Hy-Vee and big box stores. I should have grabbed 2 more of those because those are just, I really don't eat breakfast, but sometimes I want something, a little bit. So these are perfect for that. So I should have got 2 more, but 2's okay. And then I did get the donuts, and this was the last bag at $2.69. Now, the butter has gone up in our area. The last time I checked, I want to say it's $3.29, and that was at Aldi's, but don't quote me on the $3.29 because it actually could be higher than $3.29. So with Hy-Vee Perks, I got this for $2.98 a pound. So I did definitely stock up on that because it's just been going up so quick in price. So $2.98, I did get 6 pounds of it. And then down here, they had the carrots. These are 1 pound packages. Look, they're already cut. So those were 99 cents, a good deal. And these expire I can't talk, February 10th, that package. And then the peanut butter, I usually buy the big jar of Skippy. It's 4 pounds, but it's $11.99. So I thought I only bought 4 of these, and I'm out $4, but somehow I ended up with 6. So don't ask me there. And this, the watermelon, when I got home and was unpacking my bags, this was in a bag by itself because I didn't pick this up. So I did call the store and they were like, enjoy your free watermelon. I'm like, thank you, I will, because they didn't want it back. And honestly, I didn't want to drive it back, but I wanted to let them know that I had it. Plus, if a customer came in or called in and was upset that they didn't get the watermelon, they knew that, yeah, I had actually, who packed my cart had actually accidentally put it in my cart. So, and then the last thing I bought is this Valley popcorn. I like this because it's gluten-free. It's also non-GMO. It is 16 ounces. It's $6.99 is what I paid this time. It was $7.99 at one point. And at one point, they weren't getting it in. So I decided to pick up a bag of this. I did try the microwave popcorn when they weren't getting in the Valley Pop. I didn't like it. I mean, it's nice when it's nice and hot like that, but the butter flavor just wasn't as good as the Valley Pop. So I'm sticking with that. So my total for everything was $84.53. So I think I got some really good deals here for that amount of money. I'm just going to kind of show you again everything I got. This is why I like going to sales. This is why I go to a grocery store. I know other people say don't go to the grocery store every week because you're tempted to buy other things. I like buying what's on sale. So I pretty much stick to that. The donuts, yeah, that's kind of one of my weaknesses, but there's been plenty of times where I don't buy it also. But this is how I find the sales are out there. You just got to keep looking, basically, because every store everywhere has good sales. It's just catching them. So, anyways, leave it in the comments. Have you guys gotten anything for a really good deal? It doesn't have to be food. Have you used store rewards? Because I love using store rewards, including Hy-Vee perks, of course. Leave it in the comments and let me know, because I really enjoy reading those and seeing that y'all are saving some good money out there. Other than that, I hope you all are having a great day or evening whenever you're watching this video. I look forward to seeing you on my next video, and as always, stay safe.